What's up, Tech family? My name is Josh High Tech, and on this episode, I'm doing something a little different. I'm actually coding, and you will see my first tutorial with CSS Flexbox, and it's going to be part 1. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and let's get straight into it. Alright, so first things first, I'm going to talk about what is CSS Flexbox. CSS Flexbox is just a flexible way to lay out items as either a column or a row. And I'm going to get into the cross access and the main access in this video so you all will get a better understanding of what that means. Now that we have a little background about CSS Flexbox, let's get into the code. So first things first, I have some code right here under the project name Blurry Loading. And so on here is just HTML. As you can see, we're only going to work on mainly just the body in regards to this, not looking at any JavaScript. Now we're going to go into the CSS, and on here we're mainly just going to focus on these three right here: display flex, align items, and justify content. So I'm going to start it up so you can all see what the web page looks like. I'm going to go live. And this is what it looks like. It's just a blurry loading page where it loads to 100. And so this is what it looks like. We're going to mainly just focus on the 100%. So on the 100%, we're going to go into the Chrome Dev Tools. I'm going to try to straighten it up so you can see it. All right. And then now I'm going to inspect it. And so on here, first things first I'm going to look at is the justify content and align items. So this is the justify content. As you can see on the justify content, you can see that it's defined the alignment along the main axis. The main axis is horizontal. So it's horizontal. So as you can see, it's horizontal. So that means when you start making changes to it, it's either going to go like pretty much left to right. It's not going to go vertical. It's going to go horizontal, left to right. Now look at align items. You see how align items is vertical. So it's going up and down. To the top is where it starts if you're using align items. So now I'm going to change the color to green so you all can see it better. So here we go. Justify content goes to the left. It goes horizontal. Align items goes vertical. The axis is vertical. It's a cross axis for align items, and justify content, it is a main axis, so it's horizontal. Do y'all see the difference there? So now let's do a little example. So how would it be if I wanted to start? They have different types. So for first things first, I'm going to go over the align items. It pretty much has a few things I'm going to put on the screen, where is the stretch, flex start, you have flex in, then you have center and baseline. Those are like the main ones. So where do you think it would go if I put a flex start? It goes to the top. Okay, what would I do if I put flex in? All right, you see it goes to the bottom. Do you all see the difference? All right, so now let's go back to the center. Now let's try justify content. Now justify content is, it has this ways as well, where it has flex start, flex in, start in, left, right, center, space between, space around, and space evenly. Now space between, space around, and space evenly, I'm not going to get into those in this part, but I'm going to get into them to the next part, so be on the lookout for that. So first things first, let's try let's do another flex start and see what that looks like. So flex start, it went from left, it went to the left horizontally because it's on the main axis. And then this one, it went to the right because it's on the flex end. So it went horizontally to the right since it's on the end. And then center, But yeah, that's pretty much my quick synopsis on CSS Flexbox. If you all want to see more content like this, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll be sure to upload those videos. I hope you all enjoy, and espero que tengas un buen día. Chao.